but not afraid. The path is dark, yet light is made. Your voice that guides me through the night, a steady flame so warm and bright. When shadows fall and doubts arise, I lift my eyes to endless skies. I follow where your will may lead, through every storm and every need. Your love is strong, your grace is true. I trust in all you say and do. The winds may howl, the rains may pour, but I am safe forevermore. Your hand